Hello and welcome to Super Punchline Tech Talk. How is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. Stay home as much as you can and be safe. This is the first ever video on the channel and I hope you will enjoy it. Today we are going to take a look at this awesome RGB low profile mechanical wireless keyboard from Keychron. And no, this video is not sponsored by them. These are my genuine and personal opinion of the keyboard. Now this keyboard sports a USB-C for charging and for wired connection. And I cannot stress how much I appreciate having a USB-C port. And you can find the USB-C port on the top side of the keyboard. And all the way to the left side of the keyboard, you'll find the switches for Bluetooth mode, wired mode, and for switching between Mac, iOS, or Android Windows layout. And now, let us take a look at the gorgeous RGB lighting of the keyboard and its different lighting effects. You may press the light bulb button over here to filter between the different lighting effects. The Keychron K1 has up to 18 different RGB lighting effects, and they all look lit. You can also change the color of the lighting by holding down the function key and pressing the right or left arrow key. Now let us hear what pressing on the keys sounds like. Keychron also provided a keycap remover for removing keycaps if you ever need to replace them. The price of the keyboard is $79 for the 87 key layout and $89 for the 104 key layout. You can save $7 if you choose the white backlight option, but let's be honest, the RGB version is way better. You also get the option to choose between the red, blue, or brown Keychron switches. The one that I have in this video is the one with the red Keychron switch. I am no expert, but the Keychron red switches is known to be the quieter of the bunch. It is more suited for office and gaming scenarios. Keychron has also recently released version 4 of the K1. The one that I have with me is the version 3. Version 4 of the keyboard has some minor upgrades to the K1, and you can find out more on their website. I'll link it down in the description right below the like button. Overall for me, the keyboard is an excellent buy, and the RGB lighting really changes the mood on my desk. Be it gaming or just regular typing, the keyboard not only looks great, but also feels great. So definitely check them out if you're in the market for a new keyboard. Let me know in the comments down below what is your choice of keyboard and if you will consider buying the Keychron K1. Well, this has been the first ever video on the channel and I hope you have enjoyed watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and punch the thumbs up button right below. I'll see you guys in the next video.